in a magical forest where every day was an adventure.
In a magical forest where every day was an adventure. And his clever best friend, Momo the mouse.
Together, they were unstoppable.
But on this bright morning, something magical was calling them.
A mysterious golden feather fell from the sky. And when Momo touched it, a secret map appeared.
It pointed toward the hidden crystal mountain.
A brand new adventure had just begun. With courage in their hearts, they rushed forward.
But the forest had its first challenge waiting. Milo leaped without hesitation. And Momo crossed with clever balance. Nothing could stop teamwork.
Nothing could stop teamwork.
Suddenly, a friendly parrot appeared. I am Pico, guardian of the Crystal Mountain. I am Pico, guardian of the Crystal Mountain. I am Pico, guardian of the Crystal Mountain. And deep within the glowing cave, they finally found the magnificent golden crystal.
And so, Milo and Momo discovered that teamwork and friendship were the greatest treasure of all.